Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have a fun winter Dollar Tree DIY. We're going to take one of these wood ovals from the Dollar Tree and just cut it right in half. I'm actually going to make two little stocking hats out of this that I can use for winter decor. Little stocking hats are beanies. For this one, I wanted to wrap it in rope. This is the Dollar Tree rope. It is way too thick for this, but what I'm going to do is separate it into thirds. You could do that, or you could also use like the Dollar Tree macrame cord. I really like the color of this, and I think this is going to work. I'm going to start here at the top, and I just attach it to the very top of the stocking hat with some hot glue. And using hot glue at first, just to make sure it stays in place, I am simply going to start wrapping the oval. This is going to give almost like a sweater appearance to the stocking hat, which turned out really cute. For the other one that I did, I actually used a Dollar Tree washcloth, and that gave a really fun texture too. One piece was not quite long enough, so I took another one of the thirds and just started and stopped until I got pretty close to the bottom. And I really wanted a nice blue color for the bottom of the stocking hat here, so I am going to use one of those Dollar Tree microfiber washcloth. It's so cute. You can see that I used the other half for the other stocking hat. That way they'll also coordinate well together. I'm going to go ahead and use the sewn edge on there. I might as well. And then I just folded mine up like that to make the bottom of the stocking hat. I'm going to glue that together. I folded it like in fourths, and then I attach it with hot glue here to the bottom of the stocking hat. I love this. It's so fun, and I'm going to make it be like a little standing beanie that you can sit like on a tier tray or a shelf. Now, I was going for a coastal winter look, so for the decorations on this one, I'm going to use one of the little Dollar Tree craft board seahorses. I think that looks so cute with the rope and with the blue. And then I used two of the little Dollar Tree mini Jenga blocks just to make a little stand here so it will stand up. I glued them side to side like that to make it a little bit wider, and then glued that to the base almost to the bottom so it'll slightly lean back. And then the only thing left to do is add a pom-pom to the top, and I just glue a little white one onto the top. Such a fun, easy winter DIY. I think it looks really cozy. And even though we really technically don't have winter down here in Florida, I still like decorating for winter. I think it's really fun. And the little coastal touches are really funny too. Now, if you'd like more winter Dollar Tree DIYs, you should check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. And until next time, happy crafting.